Welcome back, guys. So back to this. So we have the Google One subscription, which we spoke about. Google AI Pro is what we want to use. But how do you get the Google AI Pro subscription? So as you can see right here, we have the different subscription bills which we talked about, and as you can see the pricing from here. I'm going to show you how to get it at a cheaper rate for a year. So this will be able to serve you for a year, and you'll see how it goes for you. So let's see how to do that. And before you go to see how you do that, as you could see in this course, we'll be using the pro version. And to get this pro version, all you have to do is to come to store, just type store.beladcreative.com. Yes, as you could see from here, this is it right here, store.beladcreative.com. So that's what I'm going to look for. I'm going to search that. So once I come to store.beladcreative.com, I'll see set of AI tools. I'll see different tools I could get from the store, but then the one we want to get right here is the Google AI Pro. So as you could see, there are a lot of tools right here. There's CapCut Pro for PC, there's ChatGPT Plus, there's Filmora Premium Annual subscription, there's Google Meet, so there are a lot of it right here. But what you want to get is the Google AI Pro plan. So you could actually search for it if you want to search for it. Look at the search button right here. You could search for whatever you want. So let me search for it right there. So I'm going to say Google AI Pro. So that's what I'm going to search for. Look at the search parameter. This stock is actually limited, so you need to go get it fast at this rate. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to search for the Google AI Pro, and let's see what it brings for us. And here are the results for the Google AI Pro. As you could see from here, this is the result for it, and you could get it right now. So having to get it, you could see it says is 20,000 naira per year. This is less than $20 for a year. So you could actually get it from this website. And like I said, it's limited, but you have to just get it as soon as you could. So you could just click on this. You could read more to see what there is to it. So you could click on this read more. So I'm going to click on read more so you could see how you could get one for yourself. And I'm going to have you set up. So you're going to be set up, and all you have to do is just to get this. Once you get this, you're going to be directed to the admin where you're going to get this account at this rate. Like you could see, is a limited stock. So you could see right here, you could add it to your cart and get it right there. So that is how to get this at a cheaper rate. So we could go on and on to talk about how to get it, but that will not be the main essence of it. But how do you use it? And that is where this course comes in. So to use it, we're going to start with Gemini Pro. And as you could see, I'm logged into my Gemini Pro account, which is the Gmail that has the subscription on it. So I could start using Gemini Pro. So here we are, and as you could see right here, Gemini is welcoming us. As you could see, welcome to Gemini, your personal AI assistant. And you could check Google Terms. As you could see, you could check for Gemini apps privacy notice. I will check about a whole lot of things when it comes to Gemini Pro. But in this course, I'm going to show you how to use this effectively and efficiently. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.